is a curse, or should I pray on my knees and embrace his dirt? I don't know if there's a reason I'm here. I think the only thing that's driving me is reason and fear. And seeing death to me conceivably near. So I don't give a fuck what you think about me reaching for bear. I don't worry anymore about what my friends do. I have a more urgent matter to attend to. Is there something there bigger when I die and vanish, that weaves everyone and everything into a canvas? I'm not smart enough to think I have a resolution. I'll never be a man with mediocre constitution. My pop told me that blood and power intoxicate, and that tyranny is a product of his father's hate. Yeah.
For a long time.